And you can meet with people who live there. Well, I stopped with the table, maybe they're still here, the table from Newfoundland, and asked them, do I really need to come during autumn foliage, or is your spring warm enough to enjoy? The Stoli group is here. And that is just a quick preview of the International Travel Show. Again, this man is trick-or-treating. They've got candy out on the table. Trick-or-treat. Oh, they're still here. Great. Here's a little bonus clip. This was my favorite booth that I visited. Newfoundland. Can we check in real fast? Hi, welcome to New York. What is your favorite thing about Newfoundland?
The people.
The people, what makes the people so special?
Very friendly, very open, very accommodating. Will be your friend by the time you leave.
And that's why this is my favorite booth. That's where she's from. Your favorite thing about Newfoundland? And you helped me pronounce it correctly.
You did?
I was saying Newfoundland. It's Newfoundland, like Disneyland.
Exactly. Just beautiful coastal scenery, the ocean. It's just absolutely amazing.
Now, Canada is known for the leaf, and I said, do you have to visit during fall foliage? And you said no, correct?
You can come. I mean, we have wonderful whale watching. We have icebergs come down Newfoundland. We have seabirds. There's so much to see and do.
Now, when you talk about going to Newfoundland, people think you're going to a different country. How different is Newfoundland than mainland Canada?
Well, Newfoundland used to be its own country.
Yeah.
It's a unique destination. It's fabulous. The people are great. The culture is great. The scenery is great. I mean, it's just unique.
And I learned about this location right here. Can we talk about what that is? Because I haven't been yet.
That is within Grossmorn. It's called Western Brook Pond. Was a glacier, and there's wonderful hiking and boat tours and plenty to do around it. It's beautiful.
And they had no idea I was coming back. That's how nice the people are there. And this is what you can experience at the New York International Travel Show. Pleasure. Till next time.